In this video, I'm going to show you what type of videos perform best on YouTube TV, whether you're just getting started or trying to grow your existing channel. If you want more views, it's all about understanding what YouTube TV users are looking for and delivering content that keeps them watching. First off, YouTube TV is mainly used for live TV streaming, but the content that gets the most views on the platform includes 1. Live reaction videos. People love watching real-time reactions to sports, news, or big events. Whether it's a game, awards show, or breaking story, reacting as it happens pulls in viewers who want commentary along with the action. 2. Commentary-style shows. Think of breakdowns of live games, political debates, or trending topics. These do well because they offer insight and analysis that viewers can't get from just watching the event alone. 3. News recaps and summaries. Many YouTube TV viewers use the service to catch up on news they missed. If you create short, digestible summaries of the day's top stories, you'll tap into that audience. 4. Sports highlights and deep dives. Full games may be on YouTube TV, but people love highlight reels, player breakdowns, and behind-the-scenes content that gives them more than just the live broadcast. 5. Educational content around live events, explaining how something works, like a tech demo during a live product launch or a strategy breakdown during a match, adds value and keeps people engaged. And don't forget, use strong thumbnails and titles, keep your intros short, and encourage viewers to watch longer. Those signals help YouTube recommend your video to more people. Thanks for watching. If this gave you ideas on what kind of video to make for YouTube TV, drop a comment below and let me know which format you're going to try first. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content strategy tips. See you next time.